गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। जी पैट रिवीजन क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। तो आज का जो वीडियो है हम उसमें देखेंगे फार्मास्यूटिकल टेक्नोलॉजी एंड मॉडर्न फार्मास्यूटिक्स एमसीक्यू पार्ट 5। ओके, तो इसमें जो टोटल वीडियो हैं वो 101 टू 150 रहेंगे, यानी कि टोटल देखा जाए तो 50 क्वेश्चन नंबर रहेंगे। प्लीज़ इसे कंटिन्यू देखें और इसके जो 1 से लेकर 4 पार्ट तक हैं वो डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में मिल जाएंगे। और आगे बढ़ने से पहले प्लीज़ आपको बता दें कि ये जो है जी पैट और ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर दोनों में ही हेल्पफुल होगा। तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करें, आपका सपोर्ट चाहिए। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें इसके। चलिए देखते हैं 101 क्वेश्चन नंबर। Seal coating is applied for blank. A. Test masking. B. Sustaining release, instant release. C. Prevention of moisture content. या D. All या ऊपर का सभी। Which one answer? The answer is D. All, यानी कि A, B, C. Okay. Next 102 question number. In tablet manufacturing, PVP is generally used as a blank. A. Gradient, gradient. B. Disintegrant. C. Binder. या D. Diluent. Which one answer? The answer is C. Binder. Okay. Next 103 question number. Which of the following defect is due to highly viscous coating solution? A. Lamination. B. Orange peel. या C. Cracking. या D. Blushing. Which one answer? The answer is B. Orange peel. Okay. Next 104 question number. Blank is also known as raster coater. Okay. A. Pan coater. B. Perforated pan coater. या C. Fluid bed coater. या D. None of the above या ऊपर का कोई भी नहीं. Which one answer? The answer is C. Fluid bed coater. Okay. Next 105 question number. For the bulk formation during sugar coating, blank is responsible. A. Seal coating. B. Sub coating. या C. Syrup coating. या D. Polishing. Which one answer? The answer is B. Sub coating. Okay. Next 106 question number. Blank does not show pH dependent release. A. Eudragit RL. B. Eudragit S. या C. Eudragit L. या D. HP55. Which one answer? The answer is A. Eudragit RL. Okay. Next 107 question number. Non-uniformity in color in tablet surface is called blank. A. Orange peel effect. B. Blistering. या C. mottling. या D. pitting. Which one answer? The answer is C. mottling. Okay. Next 108 question number. Dose dumping is a problem in the formulation of A. compressed tablet. B. suppositories. C. soft gelatin capsule. D. controlled release drug products. Okay. Which is answer? Which one answer? The answer is D. controlled release drug products. Okay. Next 109 question number. One of the substance listed is used as mucoadhesive. A. acacia. B. SCMC. या C. burnt sugar. या D. saccharin. Which one answer? The answer is acacia. acacia क्या है? A. Acacia is commonly known as the wattle or acacis, is a large genus of shrubs or trees in the subfamily Mimosodia of the pea family Fabaceae, that is called acacia. Okay. Next, 110 question number. Diclofenac tablet coated with cellulose acetate phthalate has been administered to patient. Where do you expect the drug to be released? A. Stomach. B. Oral cavity. C. Small intestine. Or D. Liver. Which one answer? The answer is C. Small intestine. Okay. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन होता क्या है? द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन स्मॉल बॉल इज अबाउट 20 फीट लॉन्ग. ओके, मतलब कि 20 फीट लॉन्ग होते हैं एंड अबाउट एन इंच डायमीटर. इट्स जॉब टू एब्जॉर्ब most of the nutrients from what we eat and drink. Okay, where petty tissue lines the small intestine, which is divided into duodenum, jejunum and ileum, that is called small intestine. Okay, next, 111. Next, sorry, the purpose of seal coating in sugar coating process for tablet is: A. To prevent moisture penetration into the tablet core. B. To round the edge and build up the tablet weight. C. To impart desired color to the tablet. या D. To give luster to the tablet. Which one answer? The answer is A. To prevent moisture penetration into the tablet core. Okay. Next, 112 question number. Durability of a tablet to combined effect of shock and abrasion is evaluated by using A. Hardness tester. या B. Disintegration test apparatus. या C. Fibrillator. या D. Screw gauge. Which one answer? The answer is fibrillator. Fibrillator क्या होता है? Tablet fibrillity can be used to measure efficiency of tableting equipments or as an indicator of the formulation suitability as well as routine QC function. It can also be thought as measuring dusting, that is called fibrillity. Okay. Next, 113 question number. One of flowing is used as a pH dependent control release excipients. A. Carnauba wax. B. HPMC phthalate. या C. methyl cellulose. या D. cholesterol monoestrate. Which one answer? The answer is B. HPMC. That means hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose phthalate. Okay. Next, 114 question number. Which of the following dose form is suitable for moisture sensitive? A. tablet. B. capsule. C. ointment. या D. both. यानी कि A and B, tablet and capsule. Which one answer? The answer is B, capsule. Okay. Next, 115 question number. A. super disintegrants in tablet formulation is: A. sodium starch glycolate. B. starch. या C. PVP. या D. Mg aluminum silicate. Which one answer? The answer is A. sodium starch glycolate. Okay. Next, 116 question number. The sweetening agent commonly used in chewable tablet formula is A. Sucrose, B. cyclamate sodium, C. saccharine sodium, या D. mannitol. Which one answer? The answer is D. mannitol. Okay. Next, 117 question number. Subcoating is given to the tablet. A. to increase the bulk and to round up the it. B. to avoid the deterioration due to microbial attack. या C. to prevent the solubility in acidic medium. या D. to avoid stickness. Which one answer? The answer is A. to increase the bulk and round up the edge. Okay. Next, 118 question number. Lactose is the most widely used diluent in the tablet formulation. However, it is not used in one of the following: A. pyrazinamide, या B. ibuprofen, या C. sulfactamide, या D. isoniazid. Which one answer? The answer is isoniazid. Is also known as isonicotinic acid hydrate. is an antibiotic used. क्या है? एंटीबायोटिक यूज में होता है ये काम फॉर ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ ट्यूबरक्लोसिस दैट इज कॉल्ड आइसोनाइजिड. ओके. नेक्स्ट, 119 question number. Water for injection differ from sterile water for injection because it is free from A. CO2, या B. पैरोजन, या C. preservative, या D. antioxidant. Which one answer? The answer is B. पैरोजन. Okay. Next, 120 question number. A synthetic sweetening agent which is approximately 200 times sweetener than sucrose and has no after taste is A. saccharin, या B. aspartame, या C. cyclamate, या D. sorbitol. Which one answer? The answer is B. aspartame. aspartame क्या होता है? It is used in many foods and beverages because it is much sweeter than sugar. So much less of it can be used to give same level of sweetness. That is called aspartame. Okay. Next, 121 question number. Which is the most recently used reagent for the validation of HPA filter? A. एम्ब्राय 3004 यानी कि 3004, B. LAL reagent, या C. अल्कोहल, या D. नन, या कोई भी नहीं. Which one answer? The answer is A. एम्ब्राय 3004. Okay. Next, 122 question number. The following tests are necessary for the quality testing of parental accept. A. पैरोजन टेस्ट, या B. टोटल ऑर्गेनिक कंटेंट, या C. कंडक्टिविटी टेस्ट, या D. ऑल ऑफ द अबव, या ऊपर का सभी. विच वन आंसर? द आंसर इज D. ऑल ऑफ द अबव यानी कि A, B and C. Next question number 123. Disposable syringes are made of A. polypropylene, B. transparent polystyrene, या C. glass, या D. PTFE. Which one answer? The answer is B. transparent polystyrene. Okay. Next, 124 question number. LAL is an in vitro test and it is used in parental product to detect A. antigen, या B. microorganism, या सी antimicrobial या D pathogen? Which one answer? The answer is D pathogen. Okay. Next, 125 question number. The dose of intramuscular injection is A 1 to 2 ml या B 2 to 4 ml या C 6 to 8 ml या D 8 to 9 ml? Which one answer? The answer is B 2 to 4 ml. ओके, 2 से 4 ml तक हम डोज दे सकते हैं इंट्रामस्कुलर में. नेक्स्ट 126 क्वेश्चन नंबर. द फ्लोइंग आर द वेली सॉल्वेंट used for parenteral except A cottonseed oil, A B sesame oil या C ethyl oilate या D castor oil? Which one answer? The answer is D castor oil. Okay. Next, 127 question number. The antimicrobial agent used in the ophthalmic solution is A chlorhexidine या B salicylic acid या C sodium bicarbonate या D PAZ 4000? Which one answer? The answer is A chlorhexidine. Okay. Next, 128 question number. The storage direction on a parental solution specify store in a cool place. This is maybe store in A an air conditioned area 26 degrees Celsius, B a refrigerator at 15 degrees Celsius, C a place whose temperature is set at 5 degrees Celsius, या D room temperature at 27 degrees Celsius? Which one answer? The answer is B a refrigerator at 15 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next question 129 question number. Which is correct for water for injection? A total solid 20 ppm paraffin free या B total solid 10 ppm paraffin free या C total solid 10 ppm sterile and paraffin free या D total solid 20 ppm sterile? Which one answer? The answer is B total solid 10 ppm paraffin free. Okay. Next, 130 question number. Ascorbic acid is a preservative used in parenteral formulation which act through A chelating agent या B reducing agent या C preventing auto oxidation या D all of the above? Which one answer? The answer is B reducing agent. Okay. Next, 131 question number. The vacuum applied for the liquor test for valves is A minus 27 mm Hg, B minus 40 mm Hg या C minus 50 mm Hg या D minus 10 mm Hg? Which one answer? The answer is A minus 27 mm Hg. Okay. Next, 132 question number. Which of the following parenteral container material shows the highest glass permeation? A polypropylene, B polyestyrene या C polyisoprene या D neoprene? Which one answer? The answer is B polyestyrene. Okay. Next, 133 question number. Class 100 area utilized in aseptic filling of parenteral, which means A more than 100 particles of greater than and equal 0.5 micrometer in 1 cubic meter या B not more than 100 particles of 0.5 micrometer in 1 cubic foot या C more than 100 particles of greater than 0.5 micrometer in 1 cubic meter या D not more than 100 particles of greater than 0.5 micrometer in 1 cubic foot? Which one answer? The answer is B, not more than 100 particles of 0.5 micrometer in 1 cubic foot. Okay. Next, 134 question number. DOP test is performed for measurement of efficiency of HPA filter. Anemometer is used with it for which reason? A. To measure particle size. B. To measure velocity of air. C. To measure pore size of HEPA filter. या D. None. या कोई भी नहीं. The answer is B. To measure velocity of air. Okay. Next, 135 question number. As per GMP, permitted limit of solute content in water for injection is A. 100 ppm या B. 1 ppm या C. 0.1 ppm या D. 10 ppm. Which one answer? The answer is D. 10 ppm. Okay. Next, 136 question number. In a batch of injectable solution consisting of 1000 ampoules, each containing 5 ml of the product, the number of sample to be picked up randomly for the sterility testing as per IP is A. 20%, B. 10%, या C. 2%, या D. 5%. Which one answer? The answer is A. 20%. Okay. Next, 137 question number. Space required for manufacturing parental. A. 50 meter square, B. 60 meter square, C. 80 meter square, या D. 100 meter square. Which one answer? The answer is B. 60 meter square. Okay. Next, 138 question number. LAL test stand for A. Linker lyase, या B. Limulus amebocyte lysate, या C. lecithin antigen linkage, या D. None. Which one answer? The answer is Limulus amebocyte lysate. Okay. Next, 139 question number. Non-parental type of class consists of which of the following type? A. First, B. Second, या third, C. Third, या D. Fourth. Which one answer? The answer is D. Fourth. Okay. Next, 140 question number. Water attack test is performed on A. First, या B. Second, या C. Third, या D. Fourth. Which one answer? The answer is first. Okay. Next, 141 question number. In injection, procan undergoes the degradation reaction in the following sequence: A. Decarbylation and hydrolysis, B. Hydrolysis and decarbylation, या C. Hydrolysis, decarbylation and oxidation, or D. Oxidation, decarbylation and hydrolysis. Which one answer? The answer is B. Hydrolysis and decarbylation, carboxylation. Okay. Next, 142 question number. Multi-dose injection are packed in A. vial में होगा, या B. एम्पूल में, या C. infusion bottles, या D. disposable sets. Which one answer? The answer is vial. Vial होता क्या है? A vial is small glass or plastic vials or bottle often used to store medication as liquid, powder or capsule, that is called vials. Okay. Next, 143 question number. Which of the following is commonly used as preservative in eye drop? A. Propyl paraben, B. butylated hydroxyl toluene, C. phenol, या D. benzoquonium chloride. Okay, the answer is D. benzyl qualinium benzyl qualinium chloride. Okay, next 144 question number. The dose of intradermal injection is A. 0.1 to 0.2 ml, B 2.2 to 4 ml, या C 1 to 2 ml, या D 5 to 10 ml. Which one answer? The answer is A 0.1 to 0.2 ml. Okay, next question 145. Which of the following is not a parental androgen? A. testosterone, B. testosterone propionate, या C. testosterone ethanthate, या D. methyl testosterone. Which one answer? The answer is C. testosterone ethanthate. Okay, next question 146 question number. Sterilization is removal of A. all microorganisms, B. all spores, yes C. all living microorganisms, yeah D. all bacteria. Which one answer? The answer is C. all living microorganisms. Okay, next 147 question number. Z value in sterilization is A. bioburden, B. resistance value, C. sterilization process equation time, D. probability of non-sterility. Okay, the answer is B. resistance value. Okay, next 148 question number. Which of the below has minimum permissible solid content? A. distilled water, B. WFI, या C. SWFI, या D. none of above. Which one answer? The answer is B. WFI, that means water for injection. Okay, next 149 question number. Surfactant not used parenterally. A. PEG, B. twin, या C. povidone, या D. cetyl trimethyl ammonium bromide. Which one answer? The answer is D. cetyl trimethyl ammonium bromide. Okay, next 150 question number. WFI should not be held for more than at room temperature. A. 24 hours, B. 48 hours, C. 72 hours, D. 36 hours. Which one answer? The answer is A. 24 hours. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल प्लीज़, इसे कंटिन्यू देखें. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए बाय.